There's a great demon called Narakāsura. Right by our temple in Guwahati is the famous temple of Kamakya Devi. Kamakya Devi is one of the Adipitas, or main places of Durga. When Durga became a little uncontrollable, Krishna divided her with his Sudarshan Chakra on the request of the other demigods into how many pieces? 56. 56 different pieces, and different pieces fell over India. So this one piece fell in Assam. So there was a demon. All the worshippers of Devi, they go there. But actually Devi, when Krishna personally, he also visited the valley of Guwahati. At that time, she ordered one of her demon daughter devotees to actually surrender to Krishna. So there's so many stories how she has brought devotees to Krishna. But of course the demons, they simply worship her for material things. Everyone goes there simply, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me. Of course, so she is in a very, must be very tiring for her to go and hear all these demands of all the people. Nobody asks for any nobody with a pure heart is going. The one devotee, Narakāsura, he worshipped, just vigorous worship and fasting and everything. Finally, she came and said, all right, you have satisfied me. What would you like as a benediction? And Narakāsura, he said, looked at her and said, you will satisfy my desire. I said, what is your desire? He says, I want to marry you. I said, I'm already married with Lord Shiva. Well, I want to at least enjoy you. Durga was just astonished at what predicament. You give a boon, and these demons are so lusty. They're so they want to have lusty relations with the very goddess they're worshipping. So she tricked him and said, all right, I will satisfy your desire. I'm living in the top of this hill. It's very hard for the devotees to come up here. So you build a big stone staircase. If you can build it from the sunset before sunrise, since you're a demon, your power gets stronger in the nighttime. I'll give you that advantage. If you complete it before the morning, then I will satisfy your desire. So this huge demon is picking up big boulders and building this up this huge mountain. He's building this staircase. Not huge, about a very big hill, about 1,500 to 2,000 feet high. Today, this is in bygone yugas, many, many thousands of years ago. And he's building and building this single-handedly. Just as the sunrise is coming, he's about 100 feet short. So I'm sorry, she said, you didn't make it. But thank you for the pathway. So the thing is that these demigods, they're in a very bad predicament, because everybody's going about. They get so disgusted sometimes that everybody's coming. When a devotee comes and begs them, please tell me how I can serve Krishna, they feel very good. They feel very good to give such advice.